Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video we will use AI to find some niches and to boost our prospecting process. So we all know that there are three big main niches. There's the health niche, the relationship niche and the wealth niche. In today's video we will use the health niche as an example, but you can use this with all the big main three niches. So first of all, we will ask AI to give us, I don't know, 10 maybe, some niches. Let's see. Give me 10 sub niches in the health niche, mental health and well-being, nutrition and diet, fitness, weight loss, alternative medicine, and so on. Good. Now from here, we can go even further or even deeper, let's say, with the sub-niching. As an example, we will ask AI to give us 10 more sub-niches. Oops. But this time, oh, I didn't. But this time in the fitness and exercise sub-niche. Give me 10 sub-niches in the fitness and exercise category. And he will go even deeper. And you can go deeper and deeper and so on. Very good. We have strength training, cardio, yoga, blah blah blah, and all of this. Now let's go even deeper. Give me 10 sub niches in the strength training category. Again, he will go deeper. Powerlifting, weightlifting, bodybuilding, and so on. Now, this is to find sub niches. Now, if you want to apply these sub niches as an example when searching for prospects on YouTube, what we can do is this. Give me 10 search terms I could use on YouTube to find, I don't know, let's say powerlifting coaches. Powerlifting coach for beginners, strengthening coach for powerlifting, and so on. And with these search terms, we can go on YouTube, search for prospects, and so on. What you have to keep in mind is that you can go even deeper with this, like as an example, powerlifting coach for beginners. Okay, they are beginners, but how old do they are? What is their gender? Is that male? Is that female? And so on. You can play around with it. But let's say we are searching for prospects on Instagram or Twitter. What we have to search for are hashtags. So we will ask AI to give me 10 hashtags I could use on Twitter, let's say, to find powerlifting coaches. And so on. I mean, I've asked for 10, he gave me 10. Maybe you can ask for more. This depends on how much you want. I mean, I haven't tested this, but if I ask for the same thing, does he say anything else? No, it's the same message, but you can ask for more. That isn't an issue. I hope that this video makes sense to you. Leverage this because it's faster than to brainstorm ideas to find sub niches. It's a faster way to find the sub niches and also the search terms, the hashtags, and so on. If you're smart, you can use these type of, let's say, knowledge all over social media. So be smart about it, leverage this, and good luck.